What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss is here, you know. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, boy, you always hear some talk, you always hear some saying, you know. At the wrong place, at the wrong time, my people. And only Jah sees and he knows. Because two popular man, my people, from a community down there in Westmoreland, my viewers and subscribers, was cut down. You understand? And these two men, my people, them say one who is a promoter and one who them say is a music influencer, my viewers and subscribers. And the two of them was cut down. But the people must say, yo, the man them never deserve this. You understand? Because they must say, yo, them know them man and the man in a problem or in a trouble with people. And them just a summarize and a suspect say them was just at the wrong place, at the wrong time, and at that manage to cost them life. Jah sees, Jah knows. So right now, my people, I have an article, you understand, about this whole incident where these two men was cut down, my viewers and subscribers, down there in Westmoreland. Sad situation, my people. If it really go like with them, I say, yo, the two man them innocent at the wrong place at the wrong time. I tell us, say, yo, only Jah sees and he knows. But a lot of these things do happen in a Jamaica, my people. But people just there's some spot, a man just turn up and, yo, it's a different story. So let me just read this thing, my people. Westmoreland, Jamaica. Family members of a disc jock, music influencer, killed in a double murder on James Mark Road, George Plain in From Westmoreland on Thursday night, says he was at the wrong place at the wrong time. Craig Chambers, otherwise called Gaddis, was a patron at the party when he was killed, along with popular party promoter Owen Peter King. Party promoter, music influencer shot dead at the party. Me can't believe, oh no, me can't believe, a resident said. Him not deserve the death here. My uncle is everything good. The man there no have no enemy. Him just did it at the wrong place or just music him love. My uncle don't trouble people, a tearful Sabrina said. She told Observer that reports were made from the Westmoreland police are that both victims were patrons at a bar along the roadway where a party was being held when a white Toyota Axia motor car drove up. Two men armed with handguns then exited the vehicle and opened fire at the men who were standing at the doorway of the bar, hitting them multiple times in their upper bodies. The victims were both rushed to the Savannah Lamar Hospital where they were pronounced dead. I am broken. I am shocked. Me just can't believe that my uncle died, Clark said in disbelief. Clark described her uncle as a jovial person, a vibes master who took his music seriously. Him look at music and him look at song them, and so him helpful and bad. Him hear say I drop the other man drop on him, and I so come him get shot and died on the spot. A distraught Clark disclosed. Clark said parties in George Plain will not be the same without her uncle there. Party now go nice without him. Gaddis promote everybody party. Anything you a keep, just call upon Gaddis, she said. Meanwhile, Derek, the father of Chambers, told news that his son was no troublemaker. Me feel ugly. Me feel sad. My son was a good person. No problem, just music and life, the father said in a somber tone. Boy, it just rough. Me no know what happened to the young youth them. Derek said, gone are the days when he could walk freely on the road, as it indicated that crime has been plaguing the community. From 6 o'clock, you just have to lock yourself inside. It just rough, violent, he said. He noted that hunger, poverty, and lack of jobs for the youth are factors that are breeding crime. Wow, sad situation, my people. Zane, two youth them gone, you know. You know what I mean? Gone. But based on the thing, my people, they must say, you know what I mean? The music influencer, he was innocent, my people. They must say, yo, him just at the wrong place at the wrong time. But the promoter now, boy, I like something different on film side and I check it out. Because you know, you too more nothing on film side. So what they must say, like say, the promoter them want, them roll up for promoter, they manage to beat upon them promoter job, and then go over promoter and beat it again, and they manage to catch Gaddis, my people. And that's how Gaddis managed to lose them 3 points. You know what I mean? Very, very, very sad situation, man. But only thing I can say, my viewers and subscribers, yo, just To the family, my deepest condolences, and may the soul rest in peace. And for the wicked and the cruel ones who do this act, my people, you know what I mean? I don't know what really occurred or caused this thing where them want the other person out, my people, but all me can say, yo, I just hope say, yo, justice be served and they will be caught. You understand? Cause only just sees and he knows, man. My people, big up on yourself and just stay safe and just continue to do the right thing, you know. Peace out, more love, more blessings, and more respect. Thank you all for the support. I'm out. Blessings. Big up.